Okay, let me cut in here. Using the last case as a study, the arraignment of this juvenile before the Federal High Court. Now, having arraigned these children, does it mean that the judge handling that case did not look at the faces of those children? And then when he was invoking the issue of bail, I'm coming to say the issue of bail, each child was given a bail of 10 million naira. You know, bail is discretionary. But how do you look at that?
The first question you should ask
law is law.
That was before the case was even struck out.
Yes.
We're just looking at the narratives around it.
What facts were presented to the court? Can you really tell, if I may be clear, the court works based on facts as presented to it. At that juncture, it's working based on the facts the prosecution presented and the facts the defense would have prevented, if any. The legal aid sector is supposed to provide free legal access, representation for those children.
Yes.
Were they available?
That's where their defense would have come in.
It is those facts or the lack of it to the court that puts the court in a position. When people say a court is misled, you are seeing a real-life example of it. If the prosecution drafts a charge, and in the charge it puts the age of that individual at 18, as far as the court is concerned, based on the evidence before him, he is dealing with an adult. He's not a scientist.
What he's saying is the faces. These are not children.
Look at my face. I dare you to guess my age.
Oh, no, you are an adult. So guessing your age as an adult, it's quite difficult. But for a child, it's different. A 7-year-old or a 12-year-old can look like a 7-year-old. But in this case where you said maybe the facts presented is that the age
that the police provided to be
18, yes.
18.
So, but what if they are not 18?
If they are not 18, if it is established that they are not up to the age of criminal responsibility, there is a procedure set down in law that the court follows.
Now the question I want to believe he's asking is, did they verify those facts presented?
Face of the facts presented to the court. That is all the court can legally abide by. To do otherwise, you move into the era of speculation. Look, this is a court of record. He can only work with record. Yes, he may look at the face of a child or an individual and say, this person looks young, address me on this issue. This person does not look the age that you say on this paper. Address me on this issue. That may be so.